guys, welcome to another exciting video on trading channel. This is going to be a very brief video, and it is just a basic installation guide on how to install the linear regression trader bots that we were using on our test accounts. And for those of you who want to download the system, I'm going to be sharing you guys the link to my mega server. I'm going to be dropping that on trading kernel stack so that you can download this out. It's absolutely free, and what I want to show you here is just basically how to install this file. Okay, and I'm just going to, I've already downloaded the file. I'm going to be running these spots on $10,000 evaluation stage phase 1 of my FF accounts. So I'm just going to show this file in my folder here, and I'm going to cut it out from here. I'm going to go to my trading apps. Okay, here it is, and I'm going to paste it here. So this is the binary file, this USD CHF LMPP. It's a binary file that was saved using Pico. It uses this PK file to predict the current direction of the market. So this file is very essential, and since I have already had this file previously, so I just I don't need to copy the file again. So I'm just gonna run this here, and it's going to take a while to start out. Yes, also we're going to have a pop-up like this that says Defender Smart Screen. We're just going to click on run anyway. Once we do that, our terminal comes up. I'm just going to cancel out of these files. I'm going to cancel out of this because I don't need this anymore. Cancel out of here as well. Okay, so our file has come up, and our lot size 0.5. Trading status says not running, currency ball USD CHF. Okay, so this is our MT5 account, right? So it's a MyFF account, 10,000 USD, and it's a demo account. You can see traders global group. So our target is to hit $10,800, right, within a period of 30 days. So we're going to be running this right now. I'm just going to go ahead to click on start trading. Okay, the entire process will be streamed live on YouTube, and this is basically just a test, right? It's not a guarantee that it's going to yield profitability. It's just a simple test. Okay, so once we've clicked on start trading, that's all we need to do. You can see the trading status says now running, and the lot size 0.5. So basically, since we've clicked on this, everything is going to be running fine, and once the candle is complete, it's going to hopefully go into a position. All right, the position would depend on maybe neutral or buy or sell, depending on the current analysis and prediction as well. But I must say it was in a buy position, so maybe you likely go back into a buy position, but I can't tell. So I'm just going to minimize this here. I'm also going to minimize this here. All right, I'm going to open this up. This is basically what we are going to be seeing, all right, on the live stream. So feel free to ask any questions on the live stream. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.